Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this 67 emote QR code not working in Clash Royale. If you tried scanning the code but nothing happens, don't worry, there are several simple fixes you can try. Let's go through them step by step. First, make sure you are using the official Clash Royale app and that it is updated to the latest version. 1. Check your internet connection. The first thing you should check is your internet connection. QR code rewards require a stable connection to communicate with the game servers, so make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If your connection is slow, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. 2. Make sure the QR code is clear. Another common reason the code doesn't work is the image quality. If the QR code is blurry, cropped, too small, low resolution, then the game might not recognize it. Try to get a clear screenshot or high-quality image where the entire QR code is visible and centered. 3. Use the in-game QR scanner properly. Now let's check if you are scanning the code the correct way. Open Clash Royale, then follow these steps. Tap the menu icon in the top corner. Select Supercell ID. Go to the Friends tab. Tap Add Friend. Choose Scan QR Code. Now point your camera at the QR code and hold your phone steady for a couple of seconds until the game recognizes it. 4. Try opening the QR code from your gallery. If someone sent you the QR code as a screenshot, you can also try another method. Open your photo gallery, find the QR code image, then press and hold the image. Some devices will show an option like Open with Clash Royale or Detect the QR code automatically. This can sometimes import the code directly into the game. 5. Allow camera permission. If the scanner isn't working at all, check your camera permission. Go to your phone settings, then open Apps. Find Clash Royale and tap on Permissions. Make sure that camera permission is enabled, otherwise the scanner won't work. 6. Update the game. Another possible reason is an outdated version. Open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Search for Clash Royale and check if an update is available. If you see an update button, install the latest version and try scanning the QR code again. 7. Restart your device. Sometimes the problem is just a small system glitch. Simply restart your phone, open the game again, and try scanning the QR code one more time. Target result. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the 67 emote QR code not working in Clash Royale. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful gaming tutorials, and if you still have questions, feel free to leave a comment below.